Every gardener dreams of richer soil and healthier plants, but the secret might be hiding in your recycling bin. Cardboard. Cardboard, made from carbon-rich wood pulp, is a powerhouse for soil health. When laid on your garden beds, it feeds beneficial microbes and fungi, building a thriving underground ecosystem. This method, known as sheet mulching or lasagna gardening, is far less labour-intensive than traditional composting. You simply layer cardboard and organic matter right where you want to grow. No turning, no heavy lifting. As it breaks down, cardboard suppresses weeds, retains moisture, and creates the perfect environment for plant roots. Mycorrhizal fungi flourish, helping plants absorb more water and nutrients. The result? Fewer weeds, less watering, and stronger, more productive plants. Don't toss that cardboard. Use it to transform your garden. It's the simplest way to supercharge your soil with almost no extra effort. Building a cardboard compost bed is easy. Start with plain brown cardboard, no glossy coatings or tape. Lay it over mowed grass or weedy ground, no digging needed. Overlap the edges to block light and smother weeds, then soak the cardboard thoroughly. Add a thick layer of nitrogen-rich material, grass clippings, kitchen scraps, or manure, on top. This feeds the microbes that break down the cardboard. The layers work together, creating compost right in your garden bed. No need for a separate compost pile or heavy lifting. Just layer, water, and let nature do the work. In weeks, you'll have a fertile, weed-free bed ready for planting. Want to speed things up? Try compost tea. Mix finished compost with dechlorinated water in a bucket, stir well, and let it sit for a day. Pour this microbe-rich liquid over your new bed. It jump-starts decomposition and delivers nutrients straight to your plants. No fancy equipment needed, just a bucket and some good compost. This simple step can make your cardboard bed even more productive, faster. You don't have to wait. Plant right into your new bed. Add a 4-6-inch layer of compost or topsoil on top. For transplants, cut an X in the cardboard, peel back the flaps, and plant. For seeds, sow directly into the top layer. As roots grow, the cardboard softens, letting them reach the rich soil below. This method works in containers too. Just start with cardboard at the bottom. Your plants get a slow-release boost all season long. It's a simple way to ensure strong, healthy growth from day one. Over time, your cardboard bed transforms into dark, fertile soil teeming with earthworms. The layers hold moisture, suppress weeds, and reduce your workload. No more turning compost or hauling heavy loads, just top up with mulch each year. This no-dig approach builds soil health right where you need it. By feeding the soil life, you feed your plants and your garden thrives. It's a gentle, sustainable way to garden with less effort and more reward. The secret to a lush, productive garden is waiting in your recycling bin. Try it. Your garden will thank you.